Okay, so welcome to another training session. Today we'll be learning how to produce one of my favorite products. Yeah, we'll be learning how to produce fabric conditioner, fabric softener. Some people call it afterwash because most times when you're done washing your clothes, you tend to pour this into your machine so that it can help you soften the fabric and also leave the fabric smelling very nice. So today we'll be learning how to produce it. It's very simple and it is also very affordable. So let's come right with me. Let's go through the list of items that we need to produce this fabric conditioner. I'll be making us about 3 liters batch. So what do we need? The first is we need a conditioner base. Remember, it is called fabric conditioner because you know the way your hair conditioner conditions your hair by softening it. This is what this does also. It softens your fabric so that it's suiting when you wear those clothes. So that is what it does. So we have our conditioner base and I'll be using our emulsifying wax here. 125 grams, 125 to 130 grams you can use depending on how thick you want it to be for these 3 liters. The second is my fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice. You can use blue water, you can use orange, anything you want, but I'll be using lavender here. Also, I'll be using my color. This is pink color. So come with me. Remember, we're using just 3 items. We're using our conditioner base. I'm using emulsifying wax here. We're using our fragrance, and I'll be adding 100 ml of fragrance, and then my color. You add your color to your taste. One more time, let's go over it again. I'm using my emulsifying wax. I'll be using 130 grams of emulsifying wax for this 3 liter batch. I'll be using 100 ml of my fragrance. I want it to smell out from the clothes very well, and then I'll be using just about half wrap of this color because I don't want the color to be moist. It does not start staining my clothes. So come with me, and I have my water. I've already boiled water. You need a very hot water to make this. So what do we do first? Instead of we're making 3 liters, look at the water. It's very hot. So I'll just measure about. I'll first measure 1 liter of my water to dissolve. You need a very hot water, very hot water to help you melt that emulsifying wax. So this is my water. I measured 1 liter, and I'll pour in my wax to melt. So I'll pour in my wax because you really need hot water to melt this. So we are melting. We are melting our. You can see it is well melted. You can see our emulsifying wax is very well melted. So I'll add another 1 liter of hot water. I'll add another 1 liter of hot water. I'm adding another 1 liter of hot water. Ensure it is properly melted. Look at how completely melted mine is. Ensure yours is like this. It should be very well melted. If your water is very hot, it should be well melted like this. And I'll add this is 1 liter. This is room temperature water, not cold per se. Room temperature water. So this done, we are going to add our color and then our fragrance. Then we'll leave it for a while to thicken up, and we are done. So I'm going to mix my color in a little bit of water. I'll mix my color in a little bit of water. I'm using pink color, so you can use any color of your choice. So I'll mix my color. Then we'll add our fragrance. Like, you know, I don't like adding my fragrance straight. I always like to dissolve it in a bit of water before I add it. So I'll be adding, you can use like 50 ml also. You can use 50 ml of fragrance, 50 to 100 ml, but I just want mine to smell very, very well. That is what I'm using. We have it. I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cool down. By the time it is cooled, it will thicken up by itself. I'll come back to show you what the end product is like. I'll leave it for about 6 hours or even less. I'll come back to tell you how many hours I left it for, and we'll all see what our end product is like. Please ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please do like and share also, so that YouTube shows it to more persons. Stay with me on this channel. I have value packed for you. Thank you. You're welcome to the concluding part of this trading. So this is after like 6 hours. The thing has completely cooled down. So here, behold our fabric softener. Do you see how beautiful it is? See how beautiful our fabric softener is. What you need to do is to get a container. They have special containers that they use to pour them in the market. I'll be using this one. So just get a container. This is not the real one, but you can get one, any container of your choice. Pour it in, and you can start selling or keep for use. So here is it. Our fabric conditioner after wash. After wash. Beautiful. Please, have you subscribed to my channel? Ensure you subscribe so that I don't miss out on the goodies I post on this channel. Please also like and share so that YouTube gets to more persons. Thank you so much, and God bless you. I'll see you in my next video.